What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, well, first off, I want to start off by saying Happy New Year. Recording this on New Year's Eve. This is going to be going over my 2017 Nissan Altima SR Midnight Edition. I'm going to be going over it where it stands at the end of 2020. I know we're starting 2021 off, but I got a couple of the homies videos out before I did mine. But yeah, it's gonna just go over where I'm at currently. Also, make sure you guys check out the merch store. Link will be in the description below. If you use the code FITTED, you'll get 10% off. So yeah, definitely check that out. But without further ado, let's go ahead and go to the car. Alright, so this is going to be the last cold start of 2020. Ain't nothing crazy, of course, but I think once I get home, it's probably, I don't know if I'm gonna drive it again tonight. I think we staying in, so it'll be the last cold start of 2020. Start off, I guess I can talk about what my exhaust is. I have Vibrant 1046 mufflers, both sides, as you can see. I didn't do a resonator or any other deletes or anything. It's still a daily, and I'm not trying to be obnoxious or anything with this one. So that's all I have for the exhaust. As you can see, I have the Stillen rear diffuser as well. And since this is the Midnight Edition, I do have the darker tail lights. Well, I know some regular SRs have darker tail lights as well, but that's why mine are. Got a few stickers here and there. Still got to add my roof spoiler. I keep forgetting. I just need to wrap it. Like, I got the wrap and everything. I just haven't. Let's see what else we got. Got these cheap eBay rain guards. The company has basically not been online for about a year and some change, so I haven't been able to find them to put any links for it. I have people ask me all the time, but it was like $20 on eBay. But there are other brands out that you can get that'll be pretty good as well. Also, I have blacked out roof with vinyl wraps. I wanted a car show. Basically, they just said all you got to do is tag us on Instagram, this Instagram post, and you'll be entered in a chance to win. I was the only one who did it, and so I won by default. Also, the wheels, these are Vertini's RFS 1.4s. This is a bronze brush metal look that they have. I believe that's the color, with the chrome lip, which I definitely need to wash. I got the brakes painted. It's supposed to be like a color shift, but I used a matte clear over it, so it doesn't really change as much. Got some cheap eBay side skirts. I'll have a link to those down below. They did measure them to make sure that they would fit correctly. The problem I did have, though, is I did have to take off these little mud guard things there, so it fit perfectly. Then I have the eBay special front splitter and an eBay badgeless grill as well. I am lowered on BR series coilovers. Had these coilovers on longer than I've had the car. I mean, I've had the coilovers longer than I've had the car. They've been on probably 4 or 5 months after I got the car, something like that. So they've been on for a long time. Alright, my audio setup, I have Scar 15. This is a kit that came, actually it was on Amazon. I have that in the description below. But yeah, like, this is a pretty good setup. I enjoy it. it hits pretty hard, but the box is huge. In order to fit it in, we had to take out the spare tire and push it down in the well just to get it into the trunk itself. It's a massive box. It's pretty heavy too. Let's see. Alright, so since I don't have my trunk space, I got crap in here. But I also have the Star headliner. Link will be in the description for this as well. This is not the Twinkle one. I do plan on upgrading to get the Twinkle one here pretty soon. It'll be, I don't know exactly when, but when I do, I'm probably going to use the rest of that kit to do something for the trunk. So that'll be pretty good. So you got the amp back there. It's still not finished on the setup itself. There's a few things we're gonna do, but before we do that, I'm waiting for a few parts to come in, and once they come in, we'll kind of get back on the audio. Speaking of the audio, I have a custom radio. This, I don't have the bezel on because I'm gonna return this radio. The bezel, it wouldn't fit with the bezel right away, so we were gonna have to shave it a little bit, but I don't want to actually do that for this radio because it's a pretty cheap radio. Like, it was like $85 and I'm having a lot of issues with it, so I'm just going to return it and get another radio. If you have any suggestions on the radio to get, definitely let me know in the comment section below. But I want something with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. That's the main function or thing that I want from a radio. Also have the same, have the Gove under or interior lights there, as well as under the seat for the back. I have the underglow kit as well. Probably wouldn't be able to see it as bright as it is today, but it's the same company and I can link them together. I usually don't because it's more hassle than it's really worth, because yeah, I don't really need them linked all the time. And I can also do it, link them up to the music as well. What else do we have? I think that might be just about it. I do have a few things that are on the way that should have been here. I have drilled and slotted rotors that were supposed to be here, but the ones that were sent didn't fit the car, so I had to send them back and get another set. But they should be here any day now. I do have the dash cam as well. It has a front and a back, but the back hasn't been working in a little bit. I usually have the link to in the description for the dash cam. It's nothing really crazy special, but it's something I got one of the videos I did, and they sent it out for free. It does the job. It's not really bad. Decent quality. I also have some last fit fog lights. So I got the full LED in the front, which is pretty good.
1 hour later.
Alright, I guess I made it. I was out till it started getting a little dark, but those are the fog lights and the underglow. So yeah, gotta have the LEDs because the lights in the front look so much better when they're clear like that, clean. And the underglow. I have some last fit reverse lights I need to install. Alright, let me just playing music and let them go by. But yeah, so I have the reverse lights I need to get installed. I completely spaced on those. They should have been installed, but I couldn't find them for a while, I'm not gonna lie. Just found them, so I'm gonna get those installed pretty soon. Also, I have some interior dome LEDs. I have some for the tag light and for that light as well. I just bought that. They just showed up a couple days ago, so I'm gonna install those as well. But yeah, that's pretty much where the Altima is standing right now. This is the end of 2020. This is where we're sitting at. Yeah, if you guys have any questions about anything, I'll have links in the description to most of it. I've had a few people ask me why I debadged the Midnight Edition. But with the 2017, I didn't really have all the full badges. Like 2017 and a half is where they really had the blacked out emblems in the back. The few that I had in the back, they were this kind of this chromish thing, and I'm not really a fan of it. I usually debadge cars anyway. Keep just the manufacturer badge if it looks good enough, and then get rid of everything else. But yeah, definitely stay tuned, because I actually have quite a few things I'm going to be doing here pretty soon to the Altima. I'm still looking to sell these wheels if you're in the Central Florida area. I'm not looking to ship them, but for the wheels and tires, looking at about $1,000, and they are in pretty good shape still. I just need to clean the wheels. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I guess that's been the 10-minute limit. But yeah, yeah, like I said, if there's anything you guys want to know, definitely don't hesitate to reach out, comment section below, or even on Instagram or Facebook if you have me, and we'll go ahead and get it. There's definitely still a few more stickers I want to get on here as well. I got to get another LTMR sticker for the homie Keon. Let's talk more racing. Got to get another one of those. Also, I got to get an MPST, Matt Parker, stay tuned. The one I had was the orange one. I think I'm gonna try to get me a white one. Maybe white or blue, I don't know yet. Most likely white. Might just add going up there. And I don't know if I think this is the first video with the CVT villains. That's something the homie Franz started, so I'm repping that as well. But yeah, go ahead and properly end this one. 2020 has been one of the biggest growths of my channel, so definitely like to thank you all for that. We had quite a bit of new subscribers and everything. I'm about to hit 3,000 subscribers, which is definitely very I really appreciate it, and we'll be doing another giveaway here pretty soon. We have a lot of people still interested in winning one of those underglow kits, so definitely stay tuned for that. If there's something else you're interested in, put that in the comment section below as well. But yeah, thank you all once again. Happy New Year, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.